them, runners! Katie's Restaurant Super Special Race is about to begin! Yay! Remember, all participants have to go to the desert and come back. The winner will get this wonderful voucher for a whole year of free ice cream at my restaurant. What? Free ice cream? I will win this race no matter what! Okay, guys, on your marks. Ready, steady, go! Get out of my way, anima snails! Hey, that's cheating, Vicky! This is a disaster! I need to call for help! This is Johnny. How can I help you? Johnny, it's Katie! Vicky is cheating at the race and she's putting everyone in danger! We need your help! Say no more, Katie! My team is on it! Tigers! Bulldozer! We got a mission! We have to get to Katie's restaurant and help her stop Vicky!
Roger that, boss! Don't worry, Johnny. We're on it.
The rescue team! I'm so glad you're here.
Is Demo Lizard all right?
He's just a little dizzy. Nothing that a good ice cream can't cure. But the road is blocked, and Delibug is all alone against that loony.
Do you think you can lift this, Bulldozer?
Of course. There's nothing that the bull can't pull. Let's do this. Can you look the other way? I can't do it if you're watching.
Oh, okay.
Whatever you need, big guy.
Here we go.
Now let's catch Vicky.
Come on, Vicky, you have to stop. No one will stand between me and my ice creams. No one! Wait, is that a flying anima pig? What? Ah! Got you! Victory is mine! Great, now I have to deal with you two. You wanna play? Let's play.
Bulldozer, be careful back there.
Is that the best you can do, Vicky?
Do you want more? Take this!
Ouch!
Get back to the others, Bulldozer. I'll finish the job.
Oh, you never get tired, do you?
I could say the same about you. Come on, Vicky. You have to put a stop to this.
Never!
Come on. Come on.
Bye-bye, animal loser!
Whiskers, I need more power to get out of this dune. Johnny, are you there? I need some help.
Don't worry, Tigers. I got you covered.
Turbos and monster wheels. Good thinking, Johnny. Here I come, Vicky.
Are you feeling better, Delibug? You bet, Katie. There's nothing that your ice cream can't cure.
Guys, they're coming.
My ice cream! I can smell them.
Hello there.
Huh? You again? Leave me alone.
This ends here, Vicky. No!
Yes.
No, no, no!
Tigers, are you alright?
Oh, Mummy, is that you?
I won! Ice creams are all mine! The voucher, give it to me. I'm the winner. Are you sure? What? That's right, Vicky. Tiger's crossed the finish line before you. He's the winner. You're saying that this animal loser defeated me? I'd say that you are the animal loser, Vicky. Right, Johnny? There's no doubt about that, Katie. Tiger's cable crossed the line right before her. You're gonna pay for this, rescue team.
Bye-bye, Vicky. Better luck next time.
This is yours, my friend.
Oh, did we win, Mummy?
Phew! When was the last time you took a bath, Crocodile? Cool. Here, Torch. Keep it so we can play with it later. Thanks, Crocodile. That was close. Thanks, Torch. You saved me. Demo Lizard is acting really weird. Have you seen his eyes? And why is he breaking all those streetlights? What's wrong, Torch?
When night comes and the whole city becomes dark, I can steal all of Katie's ice cream. Except the mint. Ugh, mint.
Where did she go? Torch, keep an eye out on Vicky, all right? While Torch finds Vicky, I will follow Demo Lizard's trail and stop him before he destroys the whole city. And I know exactly how. Animal cars, we need the help of Tigers. Come on, Tigers. Let's get Demo Lizard. Woo! Tally-ho! Yikes! Shoot now! There. It's over, buddy. I think Vicky did something.
Oh, poor boy. I'll get you your favorite drink. As I always say, a caddy smoothie can cure anything.
Good to have you back, Demo Lizard. You were amazing, Tigers. Demo Lizard will stay with you in case something happens.
What are you gonna do, Johnny?
I need to stop Vicky before it's too late. Huh? Awesome. Where are you at? Okay, Tigers, let's go.
How about another smoothie, Demo Lizard?
Thanks to my hypnotic ray, that silly lizard broke all the streetlights in the city. And tonight, when everything is dark, all the ice cream will be mine.
I see. So we need to take a hold of that hypno gun. Okay, team, let's go.
It's Johnny and his animal brats. How did they find me? Well, it doesn't matter. No one can stop me. I thought I saw a pretty cat.
Tigers! No! Vicky shot her in the eyes and now she's hypnotized.
All the ice cream will be mine!
Okay, here's the plan. Wow, that was close. We need some help, some huge help. We need someone who can cover his eyes so Vicky can't hypnotize him. Whoa! And I know exactly who to call. Animal Cars, we need the help of Wheelefant. Hello, Wheelefant. Let's go save our friend. Just cover your eyes when Vicky shoots you so she can't hypnotize you. All right, Wheel? Animal Cars, let's go!
Hey, don't cover your eyes. That's not fair.
It works.
Hey, little elephant, look what I've got for you. A delicious banana.
Don't look, Wheelefant. It's a trap. Oh no! Wheelefant, I need to get that gun away from Vicky. That's right! The frisbee! Good idea, Torch. Huh?
No! My hypno blaster!
Haha, touche. Whoops, I think we broke it. Maybe we should do something about it. But first... What a wonderful assistant you got here, Katie.
She's already done. Maybe I should give her the antidote now.
Yes, I think so. She may understand the lesson for today.
Where am I? What is this?
Just a lemon smoothie with my special ingredient. A lot of mint.
Wow, it's huge!
A ton of metal, a ton of cream, and a ton of love.
Crocodile will love it. There she is. Hi, Delibug. Slow down, slow down. Stop. Perfect. All right, Delibug, let's deliver that cake to the beach. Nora's waiting.
Be safe, my friend. See you at Crocodile's party.
Thanks, Katie.
Everything looks perfect, right, Ed?
I'm almost done. Just a second. What? Come on!
Johnny should be here soon. I wonder how they're doing with the cake.
Delibug is so strong. I wonder how such a tiny animal car can lift that much weight. Delibug, watch out! Are you okay? Oh no, we need help. This cake is too heavy. Let's call a friend. So good to see you, Wheelephant. Can you help us get Crocodile's cake? Delibug is a bit tired. Go, Wheelie! Go, Wheelie! Yes! Now put it down! Huh? Amazing, my friend. Now let's bring that cake to the party. No, Delibug. You should rest a little.
They should be here by now. Crocodile could arrive any minute.
Ah. We'll never make it in time.
Johnny, where are you?
Crocodile's cake is too heavy. Nora, I'm not sure we're gonna make it in time.
Oh no! Ed and Bulldozer will come to help while I wait for Crocodile.
Thanks, Nora.
Help incoming!
Thanks for coming, guys. All right, let's do this. We've got a giant cake to deliver. Okay, whoa!
We're gonna mess the cake up. It would be easier if it was on wheels.
Ed, you're a genius. I can't believe I didn't think of that before. Hello, Rhino Trucks. Thanks for coming to the rescue.
Don't worry, Crocodile. They'll be here soon. Look, all your friends are here.
Happy birthday, Greedy Gator.
Happy birthday, Crocodile. Whoa! A giant cake for a giant friend. Hurry up, Torch. Everything must be ready when Santa comes. And for the last touch. All right, Torch. All is set. The socks, the tree, the food. Torch, what a glutton. That food was for Santa. I wonder where he is right now.
Ho 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 ho. Ho ho ho! What? I can't move my legs! No! Somebody is stealing all the kids' presents!
And don't you eat these ones, Torch. And now, time for bed. Santa won't come if we don't go to sleep. Oh, who would be calling now?
Johnny, it's Santa. I need your help.
Santa? What happened?
Somebody stole my bag full of presents. I need to get them back. Otherwise, nobody will get their Christmas gifts.
Don't worry, Santa. We got this. This sounds like a case for us, Torch. Animal cars. We need the help of tigers. Tigers, we need to find out who stole Santa's gifts. Come on, there's no time to lose.
Thank you so much for helping me, Johnny.
We always answer to duty. What exactly happened?
You see, I was heading toward the city to deliver the presents when a strange ray paralyzed me and stole the presents.
A strange ray. Tigers, Torch, you have any suspect? That's right. This looks really familiar. Tigers, wait for us! Nice, Tigers. You found a clue.
I remember this gift. It was a pair of socks for Nora. Looks like the thief didn't like them and threw them away.
Another book? Books are not presents. Books are just homework. For Katie? No, it's for me.
I knew it was you. We caught you, Vicky. Return the presents you stole.
You think you're so smart for finding me, huh? Well, good luck trying to catch me.
Quick, Tigers, let's chase her. She's going into the tunnel.
Come on, Johnny and Tigers! Oh, where are they?
Let's go!
Whoa!
Vicky's getting away! Quick, Tigers, activate your special speed reactor. Whoa, whoa! Ah! Phew! Thank you, Tigers. Oops. Quick, use your net.
A net? Do you think I'm a fish? So long, animal losers! Nice try!
She escaped! We can't let her get away with it!
Looks like we could use an extra pair of hands. Or wings! Animal cars! We need the help of Meagle! Let's go, Meagle! We need to get the presents Vicky stole. Whoa! She can't notice you, so use your camouflage. Are you ready? Well done, Meagle. I knew I could count on you.
Those animal losers won't catch me in a million years. I can't wait to play with all the other kids' toys. What? Where's my bag? Oh, there it is. It must have fallen down.
Stop right there, Vicky.
You again? Leave me alone! Ah! No! You darn animal brats!
Thank you so much for helping me, Johnny. And thanks, Meagle and Tigers. You saved Christmas. And you too, Torch! Ho, ho, ho! And this girl, she's going straight to my naughty list.
No, not again.
Now, time to celebrate.
What a night! I'm so glad that all of the kids got their presents in the end, but also so hungry after all the work.
Torch. Good boy.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
Oh, Truck, where did you get this dirty?
All right, now, time to rinse.
Hey!
All right, we're all set to get back to work. But where's my helmet?
Oh no, your fireman helmet?
I can't work without my helmet, Johnny. We need to find it.
Okay, keep calm, Dan. Where did you take it off?
Over here.
Look, there are tracks here. Animacar tracks.
Truckle, did you hide my helmet as a prank?
Don't worry, Dan. I know exactly who to call. The best detective in town, Tigers. Yeah! Hi, Tigers. We need your help. An Animacar is on the loose with Dan's helmet. Can you help us find him? Let's follow this special flare and see where it leads us. Tigers is speeding up. Our thief must be close by. Go, go, go!
The thief must be hiding inside.
Aha! Hello, Johnny. Hello, Dan. Do you want to join us in our lovely barbecue? I think our friend got distracted by the smell of food. Are you sure this time, my friend? Demo Lizard! Torch! Torch, did you steal Dan's helmet to play fireman with Demo Lizard?
Johnny, we need to deal with them later. We need to take out this fire now.
Huh?
I need something to bring water from the sea.
Huh?
Whoa. This won't be enough. We need to do something. The fire will spread to other trees if we don't act quickly.
Ha! Let's call Truckle. Fire is your department after all.
Thanks, Johnny. Let's put this fire down.
That was close. Good job, everybody. Hold on, you two. You don't get to party. Haven't you been told that fire is not something to play with? It's dangerous. And you stole Dan's helmet. You made him very worried.
It's okay, Johnny. Just be careful next time, guys. And ask for permission, okay?
Good boy, Torch. Whew, what a warm day. Whoop. Sorry, doggo. Looks like duty's calling. Oh, hey, Leah. How have you been?
Hi, Johnny. Not so good, actually. I need your help at the farm. Do you mind passing by?
Sure, don't worry. We're on our way.
Thank you for coming, guys. As you know, vegetables need lots of water to grow. And as I was watering my lovely carrots, the water ran out.
No water? I guess something's wrong with your water tank, Leah.
Do you think something could be stuck inside?
Well, let's check it out. Do you have a ladder I could use to climb up there?
Didn't I lend it to you last week?
Oh, yes. Of course. Sorry, Leah.
It's okay, Johnny.
I have another idea.
Be careful, Johnny.
Don't worry, guys. I've got... Whoa!
Are you okay, Johnny?
Yeah, looks like we're going to need some help for this one.
Woohoo! Are you gonna call one of your four-wheeled friends?
Yeah, this is a mission for the tallest of all anima cars.
Do you mind helping us reach the top of the tank?
Up and away! Ha! Leah, your tank is empty.
Oh no. If I wait for rainwater to come, my carrots could die. How could we fill it up, Johnny?
Don't worry, Leah. I know exactly who to call. My special turtle friend, Tructle.
Tructle?
All right, Truckle, aim for the hole. Let's fill up that tank. It's okay, Truckle. Let's try again. Maybe use our propellers this time.
Whoa.
Yeah, awesome!
Yes, thank you, everyone. My carrots are going to be so happy.
You're welcome, Leah. We're always glad to help. Here you go, guys. Another win for the Animacars.